All right, Stephanie, here's your course. So let me start at the beginning. Now, this is the master course, so it's not going to have every little detail that you need, just because if other people teach the course, they may do things differently than you did. So if you click here, then you're going to find your different links. So here's the faculty instructional guide, and that's like the course map that I created from your course map. All right, here's the required texts. I hope they're up to date. This, they put in all of this, and there's nothing there. I don't know. I'm going to click on it again. But there's nothing there. Sorry. I think you're supposed to put your syllabus there, but in my course I couldn't figure out how to do it. All right, so then you're welcome to pharmacology. All right, so here, this is probably the old Moodle site, so I don't know if you want to look at that. But here's all your form. Your student profile is here, the one that's due by the first week of class. But then they'll submit it here. I used, as much as I could, I used the format started by Mary and Sherry in 225. That was before class, during class, after class. So that didn't fit your course, and that's fine. But you'll find that a lot of things that you had built like in the body, as far as things that are due, have been moved down, okay? But they're still there. They're just not, I don't know, I did that and then Mary didn't like the format, so I don't know, maybe it wasn't clear, but that is where I got it from. Before class, during class, after class, I took from the 225 skills. And I'm going to keep that going throughout. But I didn't ask her much more about that other than the fact that she didn't like it. So here's your quiz, your assessments, your short answers. There are no points attached to this because, one, if somebody else teaches this course, they may not use this at all, or their quizzes may be worth different points. They haven't broke out like that. And then the in-class presentation one, I believe they put, yeah, in the in-class presentation. Okay, and then your study time sheets should all be there, again without due dates, because those would change. They didn't touch any of this, and I clicked on a few of them and they worked. The only thing is different is they did add the amount of time, which I kind of liked. Your medication analysis assessment, I was a little surprised because they told me they couldn't do these for you, but then here they are. So there you go. And there's the assessment, the formatting, the assessment itself, and the live text link. Check on that. And then your fundamental principles. The only thing I wanted to point out here is the addiction game. It doesn't have the mouse, but I played it. I looked at it. It's still very, very good. So this goes along every week for you, just like you have the current course set up. There are two other things. This is the only other place they really struggled with this. I got them to remove the two links in most all of them, and they ended up, this was correct the first time, and then when I made them make changes, now it's incorrect. And I just want to give it to you. And quite honestly, I think you are tech savvy enough to figure out that this is your course. The one thing with the 14 weeks I wanted to point out to you was with cardiac, you have 3 weeks of cardiac. I removed your week of simulation, and I don't know what you want to do because you have exactly 14 weeks here. But see, this is week 9 and this is week 9. So I don't know if you want to make this 9, 10, 11 and combined endocrine and diabetes. If you want to, I don't know how you want to handle that. So we just set it up kind of the way that you had it, but you're going to have to make some choices about that based on the calendar. And I did take the simulation out only because, one, there wasn't time, and two, I think Penny was feeling a little pressured given, I'm not sure how much lead time she had in finding out that a simulation for the direct entry was going to happen. So that's it. If you have any other questions about it, let me know. And again, everything is here. It's your content. It might look different on the page. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to point out is some of your PowerPoints. Oh, okay, well, that's a little scary. Open and read only. I don't know what that was about. But they did this general branding, which I was okay with. So because of this, some of this may mean that some of your images are different or have been removed. And that must be because of their, I don't know what this caption area or text, no text or images thing is. You could probably take that out. I don't know what that's about. But anyhow, I will let them know about that. But again, I want to get this to you. That's something that we agreed to. They wanted to brand it. But the content is yours. There shouldn't be any change to the content. Okay? All right. Thanks. Bye.